Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my P90. Here it is. Please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So first you want to start out with a sheet of paper, like so. And you want to make a 8x8 grid. So you want to fold it in half, like so. Unfold that and fold the other side in half. Just like so. And unfold. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this, and again, like so, okay? So do that for the rest of the sides. Okay. And now you're going to fold this up like a fan. So fold up all the crease line that we just folded. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Little fan. And now you're going to do the same thing going the other direction on both sides. But then halfway, you're not going to fold the center portion of it, okay? So you see that first crease line right there? And make sure the edge is facing up. Okay, so as you can see, there's 2 W's right here. So make sure the edge is facing up, and yeah, fold that first crease line over. Then fold the corners over. Then now fold that second crease line. Okay. Then fold up the corners like that. And now you're not gonna fold the center again anymore, but you see that corner, you're gonna fold up that corner, and you see that square right here, you're gonna fold that in half diagonally. Okay, so fold the corners right up to the center right there, and fold this corner as well. Like so. And now you're going to do the same thing on this side, okay? So fold that first crease line, okay? Fold the corners and the other corner, the crease line, just like that. And now fold that second crease line, okay? And fold up the corners. Okay, and now fold these 2 corners right up to the center line, okay? So fold that corner, fold this corner, and fold down, just like that. Okay? Okay. And now you're going to fold this whole thing in half and make sure the edge is facing towards you, okay? So you see this edge? So there's a shorter side and a longer side right here. The longer side should be facing you. And fold that in half. Okay, and now you see this bottom piece right here. Fold that back, then fold it down. Same thing here as well. Fold it forward like so. Then you're going to fold it down like that. Okay. And now, you see this triangle right here? You're gonna fold in that triangle. So pre-crease it, just like that. Open it, and open up this pocket. Then fold that right inside. Okay. Then you're going to fold this whole thing back right around where that crease line is. Okay, and you're gonna zigzag fold right in the middle of this square right here. So if you open it up, this should be the square. So fold this crease line right up to this top crease line. Then bring this crease line right up to that bottom crease line. Okay. Just like that. And now you want to shift this down a little bit, okay? Or up, I guess. Just like that. And place this somewhere in the middle. Okay. Yeah, this should be squared on, but whatever, right? And now you want to open this up, and you see that crease line right there, this triangle. You want to fold this whole triangle inside. So open up this pocket and fold that in there like that. Okay. And now you see where this crease line is. You want to fold this whole thing right up to where that crease line is and place it right around here. Okay, and now open up the back side just like that, and then you want to open up this pocket and fold in this triangle like so, and then you want to bring this corner right up to the other side like that. Okay, so there's this little square here now. And now we're going to fold this down, the square piece down, right up to where the thumb hole is. Okay, so kind of drag it up there. You can take a little bit of this edge as well, so this is just for reference. So bring that right up. Then now you see this portion right here, this pocket on the other side. So this is now the other side. So kind of open up this pocket and fold that down like that, so that if you look on this side, the square is still here. And just, yeah, press it down now. So, as you can see here. And now fold, you see this longer piece on top? Fold that up, just like that. So make sure the center crease line is facing towards the back side. And you can tell by the slant facing towards the back side as well. Okay, so the longer side should be in the front and the shorter side should be in the back. Okay, and now fold this forward. So open up this pocket, fold it forward just like that. Then right around where those corners are, fold this whole thing back. Okay, then fold it back up. Okay, and now you want to take this corner, then you want to fold it down like so. Okay, just like that. Then you want to just fold in this corner right here. Okay, and bring this corner somewhere in this pocket, anywhere. Or maybe in the middle. And now you want to just fold a little bit of that top edge inside, just like that. And now fold to the back side. So now you're gonna make the I don't know the term for it, to stop for the barrel and everything. Yeah. So you see this corner, fold that down and fold that front edge right up to these two corners. Okay, so you're gonna make a little like a bowl, then bring that edge right over to the corners. Okay, just like that. Then now you're gonna fold those two corners in half. Okay, like water bomb base. So kind of fold this in, just like that. Then fold the barrel in half, and fold this bottom piece in half as well. Okay, flip it over to the front. You see right here, just fold that down. Yep, so here is my P90. So thank you for watching and have a great day.